Hello? Oh, hey, you're early. One sec. Welcome. I've been here camping out, waiting to see the Canadian debuts we brought, but today we are here at the Canadian International AutoShow, and I'm gonna give you a quick spin around and show you some of the goodies. We brought not one, but two Canadian debuts to the auto show. Here with me is the 2025 Forester, and we're pretty excited about this one. The exterior and interior has been fully redesigned. Plus, a host of chassis improvements have really leveled up the comfort and refinement. The 2025 Forester is coming soon to a ski hill and trailhead parking lot near you. That's right, there's real fake grass under my feet. We've revamped our entire Subaru Wilderness area to now feature our 3-model family line. We're also here supporting the Leave No Trace Canada pledge, which means every pledge taken here at the Canadian International Auto Show will plant a tree in your name. These Subaru Wilderness models are the most capable Subarus to date. They feature some interior items like all-weather, soft-touch seating, exclusive rubber mats, and, of course, room for your favorite snacks. Our second debut is the new RS trim for WRX. This was created exclusively for you adrenaline junkies, featuring Recaro seats, Brembo brakes, and retuned suspension and steering. We took out the sunroof to save weight, but there's still 4 windows so people can see your pearly whites. You'll be impressed by our Imprezas here on the show floor in RS and Canadian exclusive Sport Tech trim. For 2024, the Impreza was redesigned alongside the Canadian favorite Crosstrek. Here on the show floor in Limited and Onyx trim. I don't have any jokes for the Crosstrek, it's simply too good. Oh, it smells like Updog in there. But of course it does. What better place for a pet than in an Outback? We have it here in Onyx and Premier XT, which has a 260 horsepower, 2.4 liter turbocharged Boxer engine. The perfect motor to feel the wind in your hair while your head's out the window. And if family friendly is your focus, what better choice than our Forester? Boasting superb visibility, meaning you'll never miss another Subaru driver giving you the wave. What is this, Solterra City? Pretty much, because we have 3 on the floor here. The all-electric Solterra enters its 2nd model year with a host of new updates, including driver focus, distraction mitigation, and a funky square new steering wheel. Who said steering wheels need to be round? Did the next ones tell you they needed some space? Well, they were probably talking about the Ascent. Here in Premier trim, this rounds out our SUV lineup. The Ascent has tons of interior space, but no problem because with Cabin Connect, rear passengers can hear you crystal clear. The Ascent is also an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, meaning whether you have 7 or 8 passengers, they're well protected. There wouldn't be an auto show without the BRZ, our 2+2 manual if you want it, and you know you want it, sports coupe. The BRZ keeps a very classic compact coupe shape, but still plenty of room for snacks. And that just about covers what we brought this year to the booth. But I intentionally left some items out that you're gonna have to come see for yourself. The 2024 Canadian International Auto Show runs February 16 to 25 here at the Metro Toronto Convention Center. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go see if I can put a movie on that giant screen.
For the last time, no movies.
Come on.